I'm Anuj Prasad. I'm the founder of Desmania Design, which is a design company dealing in the area of product design and automotive design. And we have a design studio which is in Manesar, which caters to designing vehicles like four-wheelers, two-wheelers, CVs for the OEMs and for many other manufacturers. So we have been there in this field for more than 20 years now. It's 25-year-old, and we have seen the automotive industry evolving over last 18 years or so. Before which I think there was hardly any design which was happening in India. So earlier the design used to be very basic in India, and mostly it was based on the benchmarks which were given by the clients, and the whole idea, the whole design brief used to revolve around how to make it similar to a certain benchmark. Whereas over the years the Indian audience has evolved, the OEM sector has evolved in a very big way in India, and the demand is to really differentiate in a big way. We have to use technologies which can really make people's life easier, and there's a whole lot of creative work which is required in design now. So it is not just differentiation through styling, but it is to do also with the comfort, with the psyche of the consumer, with the personality of the consumers, and how to integrate technologies to make life simpler for the people, for the users of automobiles. Also, apart from this, there are a whole lot of regulations which are happening and the policies which are being made by the governments, and design is actually a big influencer in the policies, and also somebody like us would be implementing those kind of policies. So there's a sea change which has happened over the last 18 to 20 years in the automotive design sector in India. I think there's much more to come with a whole lot of new technologies, and with autonomous cars, with IoT connected cars and all. I think the whole design process, the way design is approached, is also going to transform. So we do look at, we are very hopeful that new ways will emerge, new things will happen, and in next 5 to 10 years time, I think the whole face of automotive sector is going to change in a very dramatic way. So hybrid vehicles and the electric vehicles are still in a very nascent stage, and the whole approach towards design is still evolving.